The United States Senate has just confirmed a new chair of the SEC, and it could mark a historic turning point for crypto in the United States. After years of crackdowns, uncertainty, and lawsuits, the crypto industry may finally have an ally in one of the most powerful financial regulators in the world. Paul Atkins is now officially heading the SEC, and his views on digital assets are radically different from his predecessor Gary Gensler. So the question is, will this shift finally unlock the crypto bull market we've been waiting for, or is this just another political move with no teeth? Welcome back to The Alternative Investor, where we bring you future-focused investing stories, macro trends, and opportunities the mainstream media misses. If you're serious about building wealth in disruptive sectors like crypto, AI, and energy, then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And as always, grab your free stock with Robinhood using the link in the description. Start building your portfolio today. On April 9, 2025, Paul Atkins was confirmed by the United States Senate in a 52-44 vote, officially becoming the new chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Atkins isn't new to Washington. He served as an SEC commissioner from 2002 to 2008, where he earned a reputation for free market, pro-business policies. His return comes at a time when United States financial markets, and especially crypto, are under intense scrutiny. Atkins is stepping in during a pivotal moment as the United States tries to balance innovation with regulation in an increasingly digital economy. Under Gary Gensler, the SEC became one of the biggest hurdles for crypto innovation in the United States. From lawsuits against Coinbase and Binance to ambiguous legal definitions of what counts as a security, the crypto space has operated under a cloud of fear and uncertainty. But Atkins has a very different vision. He's been a long-time advocate for digital asset innovation. As co-chair of the Token Alliance, he's argued for clear, fair, and innovation-friendly regulation. During his confirmation hearings, he called for a principled framework that would finally draw a line between real securities and decentralized assets. For crypto founders and investors alike, that kind of clarity could be a massive unlock. Here's where things start to get really interesting. Under Atkins, we could finally see the SEC doing what the crypto industry has begged for, offering clear guidance rather than just retroactively punishing innovation. We may see official frameworks defining tokens, stablecoins, and DeFi platforms, similar to the EU's MiCA law. Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, long delayed, could finally get fast-tracked. Projects that were afraid to launch due to legal risks might now go public or expand, sparking renewed energy in the US Web3 space. Foreign crypto firms may finally consider relocating back to US jurisdictions, now that regulation is stabilizing. In short, Atkins could create the conditions for crypto to scale in America, without the constant fear of enforcement action. But of course, this shift isn't without controversy. Supporters say Atkins is exactly what the crypto industry needs, a regulator who understands markets, innovation, and risk. But critics, especially progressive Democrats, are sounding the alarm. Senator Elizabeth Warren has criticized Atkins for his deregulatory stance during the 2008 financial crisis, warning that his leadership may be too friendly to Wall Street and Silicon Valley. Still, with a Republican-led Senate and a Trump administration prioritizing financial innovation, Atkins is expected to have strong backing for reshaping crypto rules. This political divide will be worth watching, because it could shape everything from legislation to how quickly new crypto-friendly laws are passed. If you hold crypto, or you're thinking of getting in, this SEC shift could mean major things for your portfolio. Market confidence. Regulatory clarity typically reduces volatility and attracts capital. We could see institutional inflows resume if the SEC plays ball. New listings and projects tokens that have been holding back could now go live. That means fresh altcoin plays, layer 2 solutions, and tokenized assets entering the market. A US crypto boom. With a friendlier SEC, we might see a renewed US-led crypto rally, putting America back at the center of the Web3 revolution. Global impact. Other nations look to the US as a regulatory bellwether. If the SEC turns pro-crypto, it could create a domino effect across Europe, Asia, and Latin America. This isn't just bullish, it's potentially a massive macro shift for the entire crypto asset class. This is the kind of moment that redefines narratives. Paul Atkins at the helm of the SEC could mean the end of regulatory purgatory and the beginning of crypto's golden era in America. What do you think? Is this the turning point we've been waiting for, or are there still too many unknowns? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to The Alternative Investor, and turn on notifications, so you never miss a moment that could reshape your wealth. And remember to grab your free stock with Robinhood. Link is in the description. This is Robert with The Alternative Investor, bringing you the future of finance, one breakthrough at a time. See you in the next one.